Despite the ongoing outbreak in China that many are now labeling the CCP virus, the Chinese Communist regime continues to persecute people who practice Falun Gong. Looking at the persecution cases between December 2019 and March 2020, we find at least 860 people who were arrested or sentenced for their practice of Falun Gong. After sentencing 193 Falun Gong practitioners in December 2019 and January 2020, the communist regime's court system slowed down amidst the lockdown and travel restrictions implemented across China. Yet despite that, twice as many Falun Gong practitioners were arrested in February 2020 compared to February of last year. And in March 2020, a total of 385 practitioners were arrested for their faith. Additionally, in February and March of this year, Chinese authorities actually transferred officers to Wuhan, the epicenter of the pandemic, to replace some of the prison officers there that had become infected. This demonstrates that even amid a pandemic, the Chinese regime has prioritized keeping prisoners of conscience under lock and key. Falun Gong, also known as Falun Dafa, is an ancient spiritual discipline in the Buddhist tradition. It includes gentle exercises and a sitting meditation. The core principles of Falun Gong are truthfulness, compassion, and tolerance. The practice has been brutally persecuted by the Chinese Communist Party since 1999. There are more than 4,000 cases of Falun Gong practitioners dying from abuse and torture while in police custody.